Now I am going to show you how to clean this toaster. You can see how much dirty inside. I don't think this is ours. I'm just got one sample from my neighbor. So I am going to clean for her. So let's start. So for that we have one brush to brush, and we got one Stello. We got little water. If you have vinegar also, that's fine. And we need some bread or any detergent liquid you have. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'll pour some oil into this brush, just 1 drop enough. Okay, so next what I do, we have to clean this like this. So in all the 4 directions I have to clean. It's not difficult, it's just easy. In all the 4 directions you have to clean thoroughly, because the thing which you are using to eat food, always it should be neat and clean, then only it is good to use, otherwise it is not nice, we'll get some disease. So every time we have to thoroughly clean. So I am using this. Then I will wipe in a tissue paper. So with the help of a clean tissue paper, we will wipe it out. Now you see previously how much dirty it was. Now see, you can see the dirt, so much black. Now it looks so neat. If you have some vinegar liquid also, you can use the vinegar. So still we will put some oil here and the Stello, and we will rub this part. So if there is some more dust, then I am going to clean that out, so that it will look like just new. Yes. So after cleaning this, then we will clean the inside part. Okay. Now the next step is, first we will clean the outer part. So we will use this tissue. This is a 20-year-old toaster, you can imagine. But still it's working perfectly fine, just we have to clean it. So this is one of my neighbor, one grandma, she is staying, she cannot clean. so I am just helping on behalf of her. To wipe all this. So if you have a vinegar, if you have little vinegar, you can even use to clean the outer part. You can see this looking very new. Yeah, so this looks completely new. Now the next step is we are going to clean it inside. Now we will clean it inside. You can see the inside part, how dirt is there. So I am going to clean this. So you can pour little on the pajama. Then we have to use this to clean all the parts. You can see we can clean all the parts. So I am showing you from the near. So like this. Now it's all clean. So with the help of a tissue we will clean the inside. You can see the dust. Now with the help of a stick, we are going to roll this properly. Then what we have to do, we have to press this. Then thoroughly we can clean the inside part. Now our toaster is ready. Yeah, you can see it's all clean. So this is the way you can clean your whole toaster. Inside I'm going to show you. Wow, what a magic! So good. If you are new to our channel, go ahead and subscribe it, like this video and share with your friends and family. Bye bye.